here's an easier way to get to your tensioner pulley. I'm working on a 99 Dodge Ram van, 3500, 5.9 liter, and a lot of the instructions I found said to, I'm going to turn you up here and hope that you can see this, said to remove this ignition, whatever this is, but instead I just pulled the wiring off here, pulled the sensor off of here, and took the screw out so that I could bend that out of the way, and then that allowed me plenty of room in here to get to this nut to pull this off. This is a new tensioner pulley that I've now put in there, screwed back in, and I'm about to see if I find my little nut screw. I'm about to put this back on here. I'm actually going to come at that from the top side. Alright, just to recap, 15 millimeter wrench is all I needed. My socket didn't quite fit in that little hole, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you very well in here, but from the top side, you can see I lost my serpentine belt, so I'm replacing that. I replaced my idler pulley here because that was bad, and my tensioner pulley, and I just pulled this ignition sensor ignition switch out of the way temporarily. Now I'm going to bolt that back in and put my belt on and see what we see. Don't forget, if you're doing this, to take off your negative battery cable before you start on any of this stuff. And so far, all I've needed for this job, the whole serpentine belt, the idler pulley, and the tensioner pulley, and the moving of the ignition switch, was just my handy dandy 15 mil wrench, although the socket set was handy for the idler pulley. Let me know if you got any questions or comments in the question and comment section. As always, there's ways you can find to connect with me and support me in the description below. And I wish you love, lightheartedness, peaceful conflict resolution. Don't be afraid to try something yourself, try something new, and also hire a professional if you can. They're usually worth it. Ciao for now.